back to my channel. I'm back with another wig review slash tutorial. I'm excited to be back and share with you guys a new wig that I saw on the market. I believe I got this wig from samsbeauty.com. Samsbeauty.com is an online retail store that sells a majority of wigs and also other beauty supply products. So I took up all the packaging and stuff before I got on camera because I literally was so excited to see how it looks. So this is the packaging. And this wig is from Outre, I believe. Outre's Style Stitch Braid Ripple Wave 30-inch. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It has feed-in stitch braids, so it's pre-braided, HD transparent lace, and I got the color 1. Oh, and also gold hair accents included, pre-attached elastic band, and natural baby hairs are also included with this wig. It was $59.99 and a little more with shipping, so it came up to about like $60 and some change. Hey you guys. Just a horrible motorcycle. Like if you're gonna ride a motorcycle, at least put whatever oil, the whatever you gotta do to make it not sound like that. You know, being back in New York City from my assignment, I don't think I missed it that much. I'm getting to that age where like when I'm home and I'm doing my homely things, I like peace and quiet. Anyway, so this is how the wig looks. It's curly. Yes, it has the clips in it, as you can see, the gold clips. So it's pre-braided, as you can see. It's really neat, pretty. As you can see, the lace is a transparent. It does have an extra strap in the middle. You can adjust it, which I'm actually probably gonna do right now before I put the wig on my head. I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. It has the straps to go in the back, and I'm just gonna clip those up because I want it to be nice and snug on my head. Okay, it has one large clip in the back. Okay, and in the front it has two small clips on the sides. You guys know before I do anything, it's not really much to do. It's actually like a low maintenance wig because all you're doing is just installing the frontal piece, and that's pretty much it because it's already pretty much pre-styled. I may put some product in it, obviously, to get a little bit of the frizziness down, and maybe I want the curls to be wet. I don't know yet. You guys know how I do, so I might add some clips to her to match my little dress that I have on that's like falling down. Hopefully I don't flash y'all, but I'm trying to. It's holding these double D's. So yeah, let me just get right into it because I'm just talking so much. So let's get right into it. just finished installing her. Just want to take a closer look using my little mirror. I was gonna put the clips like here, but I've done that already. I actually did a video like, was it last year? I don't even remember, but it was a wig similar to this, pre-made, but it wasn't braids, it was twists. And I put the clips all there, and I just didn't want to do that again. So I kind of just put the clips like actually on the braid. Front came out. I'm not a pro with baby hairs, and I didn't really want to do anything like crazy. I just kind of, you know, did a little, you know, what I can do with the baby hairs. So it's really pretty. I love the hairs. I love the frontal of it. It's just so gorge. You see that frontal piece right there, hunty? It's just everything. Okay guys, so that was the back. It's really long, 30 inches. I was gonna thin it out, but I like the look. I was gonna thin it out because I'm like, it's a lot of hair, but I kind of like that aspect of it. I like that it's a lot of hair. It just gives me like, oof, big glamour. So, and I don't think I'm gonna wear this out. Maybe like, I feel like this is like a vacation wig. My birthday is in April next year, honey. And I will be back by my assignment probably a little bit before that. And I have plans to go out of the country for my 33rd. Yes, your girl's turning 33. Anyway, I plan on going out of the country at 33. So, and I feel like this is vacation hair, honey, where I could just wear a good little two-top dress with some sandals, a drink in my hand, my sunglasses, and have some fun and take some shots and eat some good food. So I'm excited about that. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.